Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart virtually with Ocean Grove Charter School in Placerville, California. My first remote visit to their school, and it was a true honor to be able to share my heart with everyone there. Grades 6 through 12 were on the call, a couple staff members as well. And the main focus of today's assembly was on bullying. Look at the heart first, just like you see on the screen. And this means that our heart, as big as our fist, if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, right? One finger is ourself, the other is for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love, right? But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one heartbeat, one breath, right? One action, one word, we can uplift somebody that it stays on their heart in a positive way forever, right? By saying something kind, or conversely, saying something so mean that it stays in their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life, right? So we have this choice. And no matter what we've been through or are going through or will go through, we know that we can always rise above the hate and choose to turn our pain into greatness, right? So if we think about our heart, it's kind of like a cup when we're first born, and this cup is empty, right? Little by little, things start to fill it with certain hurtful comments, people that hurt our feelings, hurt our worth, kind of attack our value as a person. But we know that even though a big reason why bullying happens, I believe, is that hurt people, we can always turn that into healed people who heal people, right? And it's not easy to choose forgiveness. It's not easy to choose love, right? Especially if we've been hurt before. The easy thing is to go push that on someone else, push that pain on them. The hard thing to do is to be able to kind of put ourselves in that person's shoes and understand that whatever they're saying, whatever they're doing, it might be because they're hurting as well. And maybe what we show them, a certain amount of kindness will help to heal their heart too, or change their heart. But at a minimum, we have to at least try. And so through a series of powerful videos, some inspirational music, the picture slides to reinforce the message, I was able to really hammer those life lessons home. And to understand that at a young age, to know that all of us can be the change that we want to see for this world, to know that we can all make a difference, even being young, that's huge, right? And I think the students really got that. There was a lot of comments at the end of the assembly, some verbal, some just through the chat, talking about how what I shared inspired them. And I always say, look, if something touched your heart, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. And this world needs more kindness. This world definitely needs more love. So being able to see someone for their heart first is big, but also for this too. I bring this up in all my talks, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, and that M stands for miracle. We're all true, beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it, right? But we have to buy into this. Because a lot of people I speak to, sometimes they don't, or they just never been told this, or sometimes, they need a reminder. And so for us to be that light to their heart, that's huge. And I think the students, again, really took that to heart, and was, again, just an amazing day, getting to speak, for so many that might have, really needed that message today, to start healing themselves. That was pretty awesome. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.